In this video, we're going to go over how to have the user input a string. So what the program's going to do is it's going to tell the user to input a string. It will then allow the user to type in whatever kind of string they want, and the program is going to display that back to the user. In itself, it's a fairly useless program. I really can't think of any need for it, but it's going to be a good teaching thing, and you'll learn a little bit how this works with this. I think it's a pretty good instructive tool overall. So I started the main method, and we have our main and class comments here just so we can keep track of stuff easier. At the top, we need to import a package. This package is going to allow us to read from the computer, so import java.util.star, and that's the package we read in. First thing we need to do is import our scanner. So we type in scanner, then with a capital S, then the name of our scanner, I'll call it Joey, equals new scanner. Remember, every S here is going to be capitalized. System.in, well, not every S with the beginning of a sentence, or the beginning of something, like the S here is not the beginning of a word, but you get the picture, you can see what's going on. Anyways, I will then tell the user to input a string, so SOUT tab, enter a string. Then let's go to a new line at, we'll let the user input it right after that. So then string, and then here we have to name the string. A string equals Joey dot next line, and make sure to forget the line there. We'll show you what it does in a little bit if we don't have the word line. Alright, here I use Joey because that's what I named my scanner. I could have called it anything. A typical convention is to use input, scanner input, and then I would have to change it to input down here. You'll also see Buffy used some, but that's more of an old convention. Alright, then I want to print the string you entered was, and then I will display that string, a string. Oh, I need a plus sign there so it knows to tag that along. And this S should be capitalized. A few careless errors there. I'm going to bring this to the next line just to make it look a little bit neater. So we'll run this program. Enter as string, so we're right here in line 15 of the program. I'll enter a string. This is my sentence. Hit enter, and the string you entered was, this is my sentence. I can also bring that to a new line, make that look a little bit neater. This is my newer sentence, and does that just fine. One thing that we can do, I want to show you one small thing about this to make sure that you remember to type in the word line here, or here, that you type in the word line. So I'll just put those stars there for a break in the program so we can see where it was fairly easily. Alright, let's say we enter another string. Let's say we only want to get the first word of this. I would do this a little bit differently. It would be string, another string, equals input.next. And I'll tell the user the second string is, and we'll put that on we'll have this sentence on its own line. We'll let the user's input be on its own line. Let's see. another string. So we'll run this. I'm sorry, it's I wrote this wrong. It should be the first word of the second string is the first word of the second string is. We'll run this one. It wouldn't have worked in the other one. X all one out. So enter a string. This is my string, my first string. Once it displayed all that fine, this is my first string, then the string entered was, this is my first string, and it's wanted me to enter another string. This is the only word displayed. We'll hit enter, and like it says up there, this is the only word displayed. Alright, in our next video we're going to show you how to input like integers, doubles, whatever kind of variable you want. This one was just string. So if this helped you, like it, share it, comment, and if you need help, let me know what you need help with and I'll try to make a video on it. Thank you.